Hello, Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how to go about organizing your data and visualizing it using pivot tables. So this is really great if you have a lot of data and you want to get information quickly using pivot tables. So here's some sample data we have, and the first thing you're going to need to do is make it into a table. So in order to make it a table, you can either go to Insert and hit Table. The other option is you can hit Command T or Control T for Windows. And then we're going to select my table has headers. Yes. And we're going to go ahead and click OK. So now that we've created a table, now the next thing we're going to want to do is create a pivot table. So if we go back to Insert, you'll notice in the same area there's an option that says Pivot Tables. Go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to go ahead and click OK. So the first thing we want to know is how many t-shirt sizes we sold. So we're going to go ahead and click this. I'm going to drop the t-shirt sizes in the row and the value. And as we can see, we sold 4 large. Let me zoom in a little bit. So we sold 4 large, 13 medium, 11 smalls, 11 extra larges, and 11 XXL. Now, let's go ahead and so what we can do, the cool thing is you can always copy this pivot table, throw it in the next sheet, and now what we can do is take that data out, and let's go ahead and let's go by city. And this can tell us what cities we sold in. And if you want to sort by largest to smallest, if you right click on the number, there's this option that says sort and hit large to small. You can do that same thing, and I find that to be really helpful if you want to kind of see that. So our biggest city is Seattle, followed by Minneapolis, followed by Philly. So now let's say we want to expand a little bit on this, and let's say we want to also figure out how many colors we sold of each size. So I can literally add the color in the row, and there we go. It's going to go ahead and break that down for me and tell me exactly how many mediums I've sold of each color. XL, XXL, small, and large. And this is a really great way to capture data, to be able to quickly visualize your data and see what's going on with your data. So if you enjoyed this tech tip, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content about Excel or interested in further tech tips, feel free to subscribe to the channel. It's totally free, and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.